Hello everyone, and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can use voice chat in Roblox on the PlayStation 5. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on the PlayStation 5 and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here, as you can see guys, you're gonna find your games and applications. Here in the right, you're gonna find your game library. So right here, you're gonna find all of your installed games and applications. Here in the left, you're gonna find PlayStation Plus and also PlayStation Store. And right here in the top, you're gonna find all of these sections. Here you're gonna find games, media, search, settings, and lastly, right here, you're gonna find your profile icon. So basically guys, right now, go ahead and click on settings. And then once you do that, go ahead and search for sound. And then go ahead and click on it. Then right here, you're gonna find your mic settings, audio output, 3D audio, 3D audio headphones, and here you're gonna find volume. So just go ahead and click on microphone. And then once you do that, here you're gonna find input device. From here, you can adjust microphone level, microphone status when logged in, and here you're gonna find microphone status when starting voice chat or broadcast. So basically guys, right now, go ahead and click on input device and then make sure you choose your microphone. So as you can see guys, in my case, I'm only using the microphone on controller. Here you're gonna find just microphone level. So from here, as you can see guys, you can increase it or decrease it, and here you can also hear your voice. Here you're gonna find microphone status when logged in. You can turn it on, and here you're gonna find Microsoft microphone status when starting voice chat or broadcast. So once you set your mic settings, you're gonna be able to use voice chat on Roblox. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.